Student, today we see example number 1. Find dy by dx if y equal to x raised to tan inverse x. Example number 6. Exercise 1.2, 1.3. See, function raised to function असेल तर taking log on both sides by using logarithmic differentiation. Taking log on both sides, log y equal to log bracket x raised to tan inverse x. That is, by using log a raised to m equal to m log a. By using law of power, logarithmic law of power, tan inverse x into log x. Tan inverse x into log x. Then differentiating with respect to x. See over here, derivative of log y is 1 upon y dy by dx. आपण येथे log f of x चा फॉर्म्युला यूज करतोय. y हे डिफरंट फ्रॉम x आहे आणि विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फाइंड करायचे. देअरफॉर 1 upon y dy by dx equal to, here we use product rule, that is, first as it is derivative of second plus second as it is derivative of first. Tan inverse as it is derivative of log x is 1 by x. Log x as it is derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Now dy by dx equal to y. Y means x raised to tan inverse x by 1. And tan inverse x upon x plus log x upon 1 plus x square. That is the answer. आपण मागच्या लेक्चरला पाहिलेलंच आहे. लॉगॅरिथमिक डिफरन्शिएशन आपण कधी यूज करतो तर नंबर ऑफ फंक्शनचा प्रॉडक्ट असेल नंबर 1. नंबर 2 नंबर ऑफ फंक्शनचं डिव्हिजन असेल, कोशंट असेल. नंबर 3 फंक्शन रेस टू फंक्शन असेल तर लॉगॅरिथमिक डिफरन्शिएशन यूज करतो. सिमिलरली एक्झाम्पल नंबर 7, exercise 1.3, y equal to sin x raised to x. Here बेस पण फंक्शन आहे, पॉवर पण फंक्शन आहे. फंक्शन रेस टू फंक्शन असेल तर लॉगॅरिथमिक डिफरन्शिएशन आपण वापरतो. फंक्शन रेस टू फंक्शन और प्रोडक्ट ऑफ नंबर ऑफ फंक्शन or quotient of number of function, that is, C, taking log on both sides, log y equal to x log of sin x, x log of sin x. Then differentiating with respect to x, log y चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह अगोदर पाहिल्याप्रमाणे इथं log f of x चा फॉर्म्युला वापरायचा. 1 upon y into dy by dx equal to product rule वापरायचा. Here C, that is u is x, v is log of sin x, x into log of f of x चा फॉर्म्युला वापरल्यानंतर 1 upon sin x into cos x, derivative of sin x plus log of sin x as it is derivative of x is 1. नाव y त्या साईडला नेल्यानंतर साईड चेंज केल्यानंतर डिवाइड आहे इथं केल्यानंतर मल्टिप्लाय येईल. y ची व्हॅल्यू पुट केल्यानंतर dy बाय dx इक्वल टू sin x रेस टू x इंटू x cot x प्लस log ऑफ sin x is the answer. C, and we use first step taking log on both sides. Second step use product rule. Third step, put value of y, that is value of y is by 1 sin x raised to x. याप्रमाणे see and write in your notebook, that is derivative of exercise 1.3, that is dy by dx. Write in your notebook. See and write in your notebook, that is example number 6. Taking log on both sides. Function raised to function. Now, example number 9. Y equal to sin x raised to x. Sin x raised to x. See difference between these two examples. Taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. Log y equal to log of sin x raised to x. That is log y equal to x into log of sin x. X into x into x raised to log of sin x. X raised to log of sin x. That is C. X raised to log of f of x, the formula. See over here. See difference between two log of x raised to log of sin x raised to x. That is we use chain rule, that is differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equal to cos x raised to x into derivative of x raised to x. Derivative of x raised to x. That is dy by dx equal to cos of x raised to x into derivative of x raised to x. फाइंड करण्यासाठी आपल्याला derivative of x raised to x, x raised to x bracket 1 plus log x. x raised to x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फाइंड करण्यासाठी आपण u लेट करू x raised to x ला. सी u लेट केल्यानंतर आपल्याला taking log on both sides, that is log u equal to x log x. Here equation first. 1 upon u du by dx equal to first as it is derivative of second plus second as it is derivative of first. That is du by dx equal to u bracket 1 plus log x. That is x raised to x 1 plus log x. Equation 2. Value of 2 is here. See difference between these two examples, that is y equal to sin x raised to x and y equal to sin of x raised to x. Sin of x raised to x. Difference between two examples. First, here function raised to function है. Here sin of function raised to function आहे. त्यामुळे sin of f of x चा फॉर्म्युला वापरला. Sin of f of x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह cos of f of x into डेरिव्हेटिव्ह of x raised to x. x raised to x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आपल्याला डायरेक्ट फाइंड करता येत नाही. त्यामुळे आपण इथं put here 1 and 2. Direct put 2 in 1 in 2. Example, x raised to x derivative, that is d dx of x raised to x. U means x raised to x. See and write in your notebook. That is example number 7 and 8. Example number 7 and 8. That is derivative of two function. See, y equal to sin x raised to x and y equal to sin of x raised to x. Difference between these two example. That is here taking log on both sides. Log y equal to x into log of sin x. X into log of sin x. Function raised to function चा फॉर्म्युला वापरून आपण डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फाइंड करू शकतो. आणि येथे चेन रूल वापरायचा आहे. f of x इक्वल टू x raised to x. f of x equal to x raised to x. That is derivative of sin x raised to x चा फॉर्म्युला वापरला तर आपण sin f of x चा फॉर्म्युला वापरला तर derivative of sin f of x cos f of x into derivative of x raised to x. आणि x raised to x चं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह याप्रमाणे फाइंड करायचं. x raised to x चं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह लेट u इक्वल टू x raised to x. आणि मग x raised to x चं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फाइंड केल्यानंतर इथं पुट करायचं बाय 1. पुट बाय 1. Put by 1 and answer is similarly for homework you can solve example number 10 y equal to cos x raised to x 11 y equal to tan x raised to tan x 12 y equal to sin x raised to sin x and 13 y equal to sin x raised to cos x. In your assignment book, example number 10 to 13, that is Example number 10 to 30. See and write in your assignment book what is that is homework.